Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I will be sharing my experience and journey through how I transit from using petrol into using CNG in my car. So I carefully selected a facility. I took my car to AutoCleanFix where I got my CNG installation done. So at this point my car was taken into their facility for what we call pre-installation check, where the engine of the car will be checked thoroughly to see if it's going to be fit to install the CNG. So here we go. That is when it gets into the station. So installation done, and then Mr. Ernest will be giving me all that it takes.
This is your filler cap.
Okay.
It's a filler where you're filling gas.
You put the nozzle.
Yes.
Okay.
This is a gauge.
Okay.
This is the pressure regulator.
Yeah.
You can see that this is the pressure pipe.
Yeah.
This one is different. You can see it's built a little bit hard than usual because of it comes with pressure of 3,500 to 4,000 psi.
Yeah.
So this, when it gets here, it's regulated so that the engine can take it in its usher. These are the injectors. Inject. So sequential injector. Gets injected.
Wow. Oh, okay.
You have to close it so that nobody can pass.
Yeah, with the
consistently. Okay. This is the space you have left.
Yeah.
To do anything. This is the tank.
God.
It's a 60-liter tank.
Okay.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
You can see the pressure hose.
Yeah.
Getting into it here. Now, this is your. As it is now.
Yes.
It's on petrol.
Yeah.
It's on. It was on gas. When we drove the car, we left it on gas.
Okay.
This is gas.
Yeah.
This is petrol. There's a light here, you know it's on petrol. That's what I explained to you before.
Yeah. Yes, you explained to me that.
As light is here. If you want to take it to gas, you toggle.
Okay.
It has come to gas, but it will be blinking. It will finally swap to gas when you are moving, or you just rev it a little bit, take it to gas. Can you see it?
Okay.
They're on gas.
And gas.
These are the reading for gas. You can see the gas is here. Here is reserve.
Reserve, okay.
You can see green there.
Yes.
So if it's filled, you see from here you get green.
Okay.
When it's almost full.
Yeah.
So as the vehicle is now, it's running on gas.
Okay.
So you can drive it on gas too.
Okay.
I guess that is another explanation.
After exhausting the gas during the test drive, I took the car for refilling. This is my first refill at the Nippo filling station. So in the next video I'll be doing, I'll be analyzing the kilometer cover on CNG. So each day I went to the station to refill after exhausting. I went to refill after exhausting, and the experience has been awesome, seamless. And if you have any question, any comment, you can just drop it in the comment section. I'll be answering them based on my experience so far. It's awesome doing this switch over. I didn't regret taking this step to do this, and honestly this is mind-blowing, getting to know to experience this new knowledge. Also, I learned in this process that when you get to the gas station, you don't determine how many units you will get. Like for example, you go to a filling station with petrol, you can say, okay, give me 5,000 naira, give me 10,000 naira worth of petrol. But on CNG, it's a different ball game. The pressure available at the filling station will determine what you get. So on to the next one. Stay tuned.